Who is KYZEN? Glad you asked. KYZEN is the leading global supplier of cleaning chemistries designed for high reliability manufacturing applications in a variety of industries. Industries that include electronics manufacturing, cleaning those circuit boards and other microelectronic packages that make the latest technology work, and metal finishing, everything from ball bearings and screws to replacement knees and rockets. We don't just sell cleaning chemicals, we provide cleaning solutions from start to finish, including state-of-the-art process control and optimization products, analytical lab services, as well as providing cleaning process testing and development. We make sure our products work like they should every time. We are the place where science and care converge. We partner with our customers, making sure they have the tools, services, and support that they need to produce quality and reliable products. We do all of this with a global team that is dedicated to putting the customer first, embracing continuous improvement, all while having fun. To find out more, reach out to a member of the KYZEN Clean team or visit our website at kyzen.com.